Hey guys, it's Tom and Lori RV Life. And guess what? We made it. Rolling down that dusty road, RV packed, full tank, let's go. Lori smiling, weather's right. Tom's like, did you see that light? Area 51, here we are. Middle of nowhere, under the stars. If aliens show, we'll film it all. But don't probe me, bro, that's our call. Alright guys, if you like this adventure, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next ride. Tom and Lori RV Life! Rolling on.
We're here.
We
made it.
We did. We've been looking forward to this for weeks. And yesterday, we thought it might not work.
Well, what might not work?
Us staying here.
This is a special secret spot at Area 51.
Yeah, so we tried to park this way, and then another spot over this way, and then one last ditch effort was this way.
So we were out here. You can see our tracks.
Yeah, so
you can see the tracks where we tried to park here.
We tried to park over there.
Part of the problem is the land.
It's a hill.
It's a hill. We are on the side of a mountain. I mean, here's right next to us right there. There's that.
Yeah, we're on the side of hills. So our issue was we were okay getting level side to side, no problem. It was front to back, trying to get the trailer off the truck. It just wouldn't, because it was...
And the reason it wouldn't, you can only lift those front
extension legs.
I don't know if you can see them. The front legs of the trailer only come out so far. And we had to lift the trailer so high off the back of the truck because of the slope of the land, it wouldn't de-hitch. It wouldn't come off of the hitch in the truck. No matter how hard we tried.
Yeah, so this was the last ditch effort. We were gonna go just park down at Rachel and visit Tom, or visit Dave once in a while.
One of us yesterday lost our Guess who? Hey.
It was you. It wasn't me.
Somebody got pretty upset yesterday.
And they were about done. Now, his part is just driving the truck here, there, and before and after.
You got to remember,
I'm lugging all the pads around, trying to get level, and I'm hoofing it outside the whole time, and gets to go sit down and drive the truck.
Tom just drives. Hey, that'd be a great song.
But he's the one that got all upset. You know, that's part of what makes us good together. There's the drone again.
The drone. It's that bee.
Look at how he's
hovering. Oh my gosh, he's just hovering. He is just hovering.
That's why I say it's a drone from Area 51.
Wow, look at that. I'm just not sure what that is. Did you see that? Where'd he go? Where did he go? There he is. Look at this guy. Look at him. That is one big, I think it's a bumblebee. He's on the other side of the truck. And he's... Oh, where'd he go? There he is. Look how close he is. Hello, sir. Whoa. Hello. Hello. Stay there, Lori. Look at this. Look at this thing.
That's a drone.
A drone.
From Area 51.
Oh my gosh. Okay, finish your thought.
What I was saying is that's what helps make us a good couple is it seems like
Well, I
no
knew
matter
there was
what
something. I just didn't know what it was.
It's one of the many reasons. When something happens like that, always one of us gets frustrated and the other one is the level head.
And I always go, chill out, please.
Nope, I told him to do that yesterday. He told me the other day to tell him to chill out, and I did, but I did it too late this time.
Oh!
He was too hot to chill down, so. But we did it, we made it, we're here. We had a great night last night, nice and quiet. We're looking forward to when Dave gets here in a couple days. And we're hoping for some activity besides bug drones.
And what we're seeing all the way down through this valley, like, I know that the GoPro, we should be using a different camera where we can zoom, but the dirt roads that you see, like this is the highway here that goes into Rachel that way. How many miles?
Let's not tell everybody where the super secret spot is.
Oh, okay. So we're in Las Vegas. All right, I'm not going to show you all anything. Don't worry about the dirt road and.
Yeah, Dave will get mad at us. Do not tell.
So anyway, we're here for the foreseeable future, because we're going to try to stay here for at least 2 weeks to boondock.
Yeah, we filled up on everything.
Yeah, we've got
provision,
full tank of water. We've got propane. What else? Food. Food. I think we're set for a while.
Yeah, we are. If not, we'll just start eating the little brush.
That darn little thing, he's just hovering.
Hi.
Look at
See?
this. And you can even hear him buzzing. Listen, listen. Wow, amazing.
Don't let him in the house.
Okay, so I think we're caught up.
We're caught up. We got our flag up.
Got our flag up. So hopefully we'll have some alien flybys.
Yep. Or some Air Force flybys.
Maybe,
that would be nice.
Maybe some
we
Air
heard
Force.
some jets this morning, but
yeah.
we were still too lazy
We
to come out here and
We were
look.
still in the sack. There's no way I was getting up to go
and
look.
guess what?
What?
It
Oh.
feels wonderful. Tom's in a sweatshirt. Tom's in a sweatshirt. I've got a t-shirt on, but it's not 1,000,000 degrees.
Woke up this morning, it was 36 degrees out here.
Oh, it was so nice.
I know that Dave likes to watch these videos. I want to show you something, Dave. I know we can't zoom in, but over there on this highway, they have snow poles up still.
The orange poles.
The orange poles, snow poles. Oh well.
Tom walked out the door this morning and he said, "Oh, it snowed out here." And I said, "Not till Dave gets here."
Okay, we're gonna have maybe some special extra stuff for you over the next 14 days. Maybe just the Saturday chats and the What Up Wednesdays. We don't know. We're gonna find out. Depends on what we can see up in the sky.
It's a clear sky today. Nice.
So hope you guys liked this episode of What Up Wednesday. We appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll get notified when we do throw up another episode at any point during the week that we're here at Area 51.
Yay!
Woo! See ya!
You sound like a ghost.